I've never met a game day dip I wouldn't try, and this tangy version of a buffalo chicken dip does not disappoint. So let's heat up our oven to 375, grab a cast iron skillet, we'll melt our butter and add our shredded chicken and hot sauce. Stir in your sour cream, cream cheese, and stir till combined. We'll sprinkle on that cheddar cheese you shredded, add your fresh squeeze of lemon right on top. We'll bake it until it's bubbling around the edges and the cheese has melted, about 10 minutes. Now let's finish it off, topping it with our blue cheese crumble and chives. Grab a chip. So good, this chicken is tender. The spicy wing sauce has a tang from that creamy cheese mix. Enjoy.